Hi everyone, welcome back to Food and Spices. Today we'll be showing you how to make pizza. However, we'll be focusing on the pizza dough as that is what can make or break the pizza. So let's begin the easiest way to make pizza dough. To make the dough, you will be needing these ingredients: 7 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of yeast, 4 tablespoons of oil, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 2.5 cups of warm water. This recipe will yield 4 medium to large pizzas. Here are some of the toppings that we use to prepare our pizza. However, you can customize your pizza with whatever toppings that you enjoy. We prepared a variation of 3 different pizzas. The first one is shrimp scampi, our family favorite, which has shrimps, onions, basil, and a garlic mayo base, which is very easy to put together. The other 2, we did a variation of chicken tandoori and Hawaiian pizza with a tomato paste base. Now let's get back to making the dough. First, add the warm water to a bowl and add yeast and sugar. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, when the bubbles appear, it means the yeast is activated and ready to use. If the bubbles do not appear, it means the yeast is not activated, and this will affect the quality of the dough. There may be 2 reasons why the bubbles may not appear: the quality of the yeast or the temperature of the water might be too cold or too hot. So make sure to mix it in lukewarm water. To prepare the dough, add the salt to the flour and the oil and the yeast mixture. Now mix everything together. Here we've used a KitchenAid mixer. You can also knead the dough by hand for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Now make a ball of the dough in this way and let it sit in a greased bowl for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour to let it proof. Don't forget to cover the bowl and place it in a warm spot. After 45 minutes to 1 hour, your dough should be double in size as shown here. Now sprinkle some dry flour onto your countertop and lay out the dough and divide it into 4 equal parts. Prep these 4 parts into balls of dough as shown here. Cover and let them sit for another 10 minutes. Now the dough is ready to roll out for the pizza. Remember to sprinkle some semolina onto your pan so the pizza stays crisp and does not stick. Now you can add the sauce, cheese, and the toppings of your choice. Remember to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the pizza for 18 to 20 minutes. A highly recommended step before baking is to drizzle olive oil over your pizza, which gives it a great flavor and aroma. We hope you enjoyed the recipe and find it useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for future recipes. Thank you for watching.